Today we're going to take a look at the plan. Today's plan is very similar to the photo sections plan that we talked about before. Now it's important that you practice this plan and you practice the steps so that this plan can become natural. You don't have to think about it. You can just do it like that. Okay? Let's get started. Answer quickly. For each question, we have 8 seconds. Now for each short conversation, we have 3 questions, right? So we have a total of 24 seconds to answer all 3 questions. Now, 8 seconds for one question is a short amount of time, but we have to answer quicker. We have to answer faster than 8 seconds because we need extra time to preview the next short conversation's questions and answer choices. Ignore the CD's timing. For the short conversation section, the CD will give you some instructions, like this. Now look at number 7. Now some people will listen and follow these instructions. So they wait until they hear, now look at number 7. And then they go to number 7 and answer it. Now we don't want to do this because we want to preview the next questions and the next question's answer choices. If we follow these instructions, we don't have time to do that. Preview the next questions and answer choices. So we are ignoring the CD's instructions and we're answering faster. Because of that, we have some extra time. What do we do with that time? Simple. We look at the next short conversation section's questions and answer choices. If we look at the questions, we know what information is important and what information can help us answer those questions. If we look at the answer choices, then it can give us an idea of what the next short conversation is about. Let's take a look at an example. Remember the information that you previewed from the questions and the answer choices. This last step is for when you are listening to the short talk. You previewed the questions and the answer choices for a reason. You want to know what the questions are while you're listening to the short talk. That way, you can quickly understand what information is important and quickly answer. So, the last step is remember the questions from the preview when you're listening to the short talk.